Credit360 Credit Repair is a company that puts our money where our mouth is and only charges a fee when items are deleted, removed, or repaired from your credit report. With our 360 Repair, Rebuild, and Relax credit repair program, you'll no longer have to use other expensive credit repair companies that charge monthly and don't even produce results. We're so confident in our advanced disputing tactics that we'll allow you to pay for your deletions after you actually see the results, and we even give you a 100% money-back guarantee to back it up, just so you can relax. We're an elite team of credit experts that know exactly what techniques will assist you with increasing your credit scores to meet your goals. The dedication to your credit success is seen in our proven results over the years. With our Repair, Rebuild, and Relax program, most of our clients see deletions within the first 45 days of enrollment and usually see an average increase of 93 points throughout their program. What is the 360 Repair, Rebuild, and Relax process? Number 1. Analyzing your credit reports. Prior to enrolling in our program, a credit analyst will provide you with a free consultation on all 3 reports and scores. Your analyst will clearly explain our program, how it works, and what options are available to getting your credit back on track. We'll be looking for negative items like erroneous personal information, collections, charge-offs, tax liens, judgments, and late payments that may be hurting your score. We'll also guide you of what types of positive credit accounts could be applied for to increase your scores at the fastest rate. Number 2. Creating a definitive action plan. Upon enrollment, a dedicated credit analyst will conduct a detailed audit of your credit report and guide you through our entire disputing process. Plus, you'll receive a definitive action plan which will show you how we'll be working to increase your credit scores, which provide you with strategies to reduce your debt. We will then begin the dispute process to each of the 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, as well as the actual creditors directly. Number 3. Launching of the repair and rebuilding process. Keep in mind, we'll be disputing all the negative credit items on your reports right from the start. If the information on your report is not timely, accurate, or verifiable, we'll demand that it be immediately deleted from your reports. Studies show that 79% of all credit reports contain some type of errors that could cause you to be denied credit. We'll also help you strategically apply for positive credit accounts to help increase your available credit limits and scores. Whether you've been through a bankruptcy, divorce, or whether you've made mistakes with your finances, repairing your credit doesn't have to be complicated. Number 4. Rinse and repeat of the process. Once we've received your disputed credit reports from the bureaus, we'll then analyze the reports for the updated or deleted items and then generate new dispute letters addressing the non-deleted items. We'll do this dispute process every 30 to 45 days for the next 365 days, which is trackable through our online portal. Most of our clients see deletions within the first 45 days of enrollment and usually see an average increase of 93 points throughout their program cycle. The key to the removal of negative information is persistence and communication with your Credit360 consultant. Stick to our proven system so you can relax and enjoy having great credit again, guaranteed. Number 5. Program pricing. $360 audit fee. We're currently running a 2018 special, so you can get started with our program by splitting up the $360 audit fee into 2 $180 payments. The initial installment is due at enrollment, and the remaining $180 balance is due 30 days after enrollment. Then for the remainder of the year, you would only pay for the deleted item after it's been removed from your report. Only $50 for collections and charge-offs. However, see the attached program pricing sheet for detailed deletion fees. Keep in mind that most companies that charge monthly fees usually take their time to repair your credit because they want you to be a client forever so they can make more money. With our pay-per-delete program, you're only paying for results, which allows you to see your results at a faster rate than a monthly pay model. Plus, with our referral incentive, we'll give our clients a $25 credit towards their deletions balance for every referred client into our program. Our referral incentive program also allows you to pay towards your balance by posting your positive experience with Credit360 to Facebook, Instagram, Yelp, YP, and other media platforms to help market our services. As an addition, our program comes with a 90-day guarantee so you can sit back and relax. Should you have any credit questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at 1-866-840-4646. We love helping good people with bad credit.